Number 8 is anything that increases food sensitivities. And one thing that can do that is called lectins. And they're usually associated with a group of plants called nightshades. And nightshades are things like eggplant, bell pepper, tomato, and potato. There's many more, but these are probably the ones that people consume the most. However, it's not just these nightshades, but grains like rye, barley, and rice also have lectins. And the biggest grain to stay away from is modern wheat because it is processed, it is hybridized in so many different ways. It's not really a food anymore. And it is also the richest source of gluten and the type of gluten that people tend to react to. And then there's something called the gut-brain axis. So if we disrupt the gut bacteria and we damage that mucus protection, we get leaky gut. Now all sorts of things start leaking through, getting into the bloodstream. And anything that gets into the bloodstream, anything that causes a leaky gut will tend to create a leaky brain. And now the things that get out into the bloodstream are going to circulate and start creating brain inflammation, which can be very damaging and really progress the development of dementia. But again, this does not mean that these are bad foods. It's going to be important for some people to avoid this, but if you start restoring your microbiome, if you start getting a healthy gut again, you can probably get to the point where these things do not become a problem.